Next topic is bank reconciliation statement. So guys, see, till now we have discussed about the introduction of this bank reconciliation statement, then we have seen the meaning of passbook. Now let us see what do you mean of bank reconciliation statement. Again I am saying in short, sir, in order to know the reason of difference between the passbook balance and cash book bank column balance here, if there is any difference, to know the difference and to reconcile them, nothing but to adjust this balance here so that okay, both should be equal, sir, we will prepare one statement. That statement will be called as a bank reconciliation statement. Got it? So in short, bank reconciliation, okay, we are preparing to know this bank reconciliation statement will be also called as in short form BRS. So we will be preparing this BRS to find out the reasons of difference between the passbook and cash book bank column. Cash book bank column. Understood here? Yes or no? So let us see the meaning. Every business that open a current account with the bank is given a book called passbook. Yes, this is what we have discussed. Sir, whenever I am opening any bank account, sir, bank will be giving me one book. That book will be called as passbook. Next, it is a record of traders or customers account in the bank. So sir, that passbook is nothing but it is the record of banking transaction of the customer with the bank. Next, the businessman also records the transaction in the bank column of the cash book. So no doubt, okay, bank they are recording my transaction in their book, and here we will also record on all my bank transaction in my cash book bank column. Yes or no? So in short, okay, both are recording the transaction which is taking place through the bank. The balance, next one, the balance shown by the cash book and passbook should be equal if all entries are correctly and fully recorded in the two books here. So guys, whatever the transaction that bank have recorded in the passbook, that should be equal with our cash book bank column here. So bank column, cash book balance and passbook balance should be equally if we are recording all the transaction correctly and fully. But let us see what will happen next. But in actual practice, these two balance may not be the same as on a particular date. So it is possible that this both the balance, passbook balance and cash book bank column balance may not be the same, may not be the equal. So there may be some difference. So hence see, a statement is prepared to reconcile the balance of cash book and passbook is called bank reconciliation statement. So the statement which we are preparing to know the reason of difference and to adjust this difference here, that statement will be called as bank reconciliation statement. Got it? So see, in other words, it can be said that bank reconciliation statement is a statement prepared to reconcile the difference between the balance as per the bank column of the cash book and passbook on any given date. So in simple words, sir, bank reconciliation statement is nothing but it is a statement which we are preparing, customer is preparing to reconcile the difference, to know the difference and to adjust the difference between the between the cash book bank column balance and passbook balance on any date here. Got it? So this is all about the meaning. Now let us see the difference. Let us see the definition here. Bank reconciliation statement may be defined as a statement prepared with uncommon adjustment of cash book and passbook to find out the reasons of difference in the balance as shown by the trader's cash book and banker's passbook. Achha, before discussing about this definition, I would like to say one thing here, guys. From now onwards, whenever I am saying, like instead of saying cash book bank column, it is a lengthy word, cash book bank column, I will just say cash balance here. Got it? Cash book balance here. So whenever in this chapter, okay, in this chapter, now whenever I am using the word called cash balance, it means nothing but I am giving reference to the cash book bank column. Got it? Cash book bank column. So now whenever I use the word called cash book or cash balance, it means I am giving or I am talking about the cash book bank column. Got it? So they are saying here, it is a statement prepared with uncommon adjustment. It means nothing but bank reconciliation statement, BRS, is a statement which is prepared, okay, with difference adjustment of cash book and passbook. Uncommon adjustment means different adjustment or different transaction which is there in the cash book and passbook. Why there is a difference here? What is the difference? Got it? And to know the reason of this difference in the balance which is shown in the cash book and banker's passbook. So that's what they're saying. Uncommon adjustment means difference adjustment or different transaction of cash book and passbook, and to know the reason of this difference here. So for that purpose we are preparing the statement. This is the definition. Let us see one more definition. Kohler explained it as a statement displaying the items of difference between the balance of an account reported by a bank and the account appearing on the book of the bank account. So what do you mean with this? Aag Pak, Kariya Pak. They are also saying the same thing. Got it? They are also saying that statement, okay, which is displaying, means which is showing the items of difference. Nothing but what are the difference between the cash book balance and passbook balance. Got it here? So that's what they're saying. A statement displaying, showing the items of difference between the balance account prepared by a bank and the account appearing in the books of the bank customer. Got it here? So nothing but in short, okay, it is a statement which is showing the items of difference which is prepared by the trader and banker here. So this is the definition given by the Kohler. So this is all about the meaning and definition. Got it? Thank you.